Ngayon, mamadaliin na natin. Mauubos na yung battery ng camera. Anyway, going up here is my office. Dalawang office dito. Isa sa baba kay Maricel, tsaka isa sa akin dito. Yung opisina ko, itong telepono, 1960s to, pero ito gumagana. Akala ko nung una, design lang, pero pwedeng tumawag. Pwedeng, this is working. Tapos all my books are here. Then some... Ito, granite din. So everything, ito lahat ng ano, mga table granite. Yan, pababa. Yan, pababa. Ay, galing mo ko. Again, you can see a lot of intercoms here. Para anywhere you go, para madali mo makita, just use this. Marcel, are you there? Marcel? Yan, lahat siya. Magagamit mo yung intercoms. This is Nathan's room. Medyo madilim pa lang. I don't know, there's some music here. Ito yung kay Nathan, ang pagkaka-design ng kwarto ni Nathan, bago namin bilhin to is golf. Although, probably, 1 year or 2, palta namin to ng swimming or karate. Dahil yun na sports niya. Pero yung binili namin to, naka-set up na to na golf and design. Parang may sounds din dito. I don't know. Yeah, this is the mga gamit lahat ni Nathan, magulo. Lots of cabinets actually. Dito mga gamit siya lahat. Now going inside here is the bathroom. It's a shared bathroom, Jack and Jill bathroom. Ngayon, siguro after a year, share sila ng bathroom. Ito naman, papuntang sa kubeta. Nag-order pa kami ng blinds, hindi pa kompleto, kaya ito temporary, nilagyan lang namin ng kortina para hindi kita kaming hubo, tsaka hubad din eh. Diyan sa kabila, okay. There are 3 doors going to this bathroom, one from Caitlin, one from Nathan, and one coming from the outside. So tatlo, para pag may bisita, anyone can use the bathroom. Ito yung kay Caitlin na kwarto. Yung likod nito is still a big space. Yun yung above the garage. So wala pang gumagamit. So in the future, pwede i-convert sa another bathroom pag kailangan nila ng privacy pag nagdalaga na si Caitlin. So in the future, may tigisa silang toilet. Dahil ito big space above the garage, malaking attic. Pwede i-post yan.